the most beautiful things in life are not just things. They're people and places, memories and pictures. They're feelings and moments, and smiles and laughter.
Hey lovelies, this is your virtual tour with Shantanaredman. So this is a 180/360 view of the hotel that we're staying, which is TRYP by WYNDHAM, Panama Central. The area is very nice, it's very calm, it's very still. There's not much going on within the area because where we're at, we basically locate around literally everything that you can think of, from convenience store to restaurants to bar, just about everything. This is the only time I got where I get a clear shot in terms of the daytime. This morning we went out for a walk just to browse through the area. Sorry for the noisy background. So this is literally across from the hotel. You have, I think, a restaurant there and a little store. I didn't went across there, to be honest. I wanted to go, but there was no need to be honest. So you do have a lot of accessibility of restaurant, convenience store, as I said earlier. Like, everything is a walking distance. This is the entrance of TRYP by WYNDHAM, basically the front door, in all honesty. Here is the little lounge room. They have like a little office area and also like a small souvenir shop, and this is the lounge area. This is where we actually sit and wait to get our check-in. Shout out to Day Moon who had checked us in. He was so sweet, he was so nice. And this here that you see, we have the bathroom downstairs along with the dining area. It's very small, but it does the job for us throughout the course that we're having dinner and breakfast as well. So in order to access the elevator, you have to use the card. So insert the card slot and press the...
Hello, can I help you?
Hello, who is this?
It's CENTRO.
So you're giving me a room tour of the property?
Yeah.
Well, let me come in. So, hey, how old are you gonna be?
87.
Panama, hey.
This is the mirror.
Okay.
And this is the closet. This is my safe. My jewelry. This is the closet.
All right.
This is our bathroom.
Okay, can look cute and pretty.
This is our shower.
Nice. Okay.
Our soap to wash our hands. And our tissue. And our toilet. Packed away.
Okay, nice, clean.
And our suitcase are here.
All right, see.
This is our bed.
So the birthday girl get one bed for herself. Okay.
This is another bed. It's a little bed for watch our TV.
Okay.
And this is our balcony. To look out view. A lookout view.
Stunning.
Wow.
It's very beautiful.
Thank you, guys.
And what we say, we're on the 4th floor at 403. The insert card here. Insert card here for the opening. Once you enter on the building, you have a whole mirror on the side for the girl who love mirror. It's here. And then on this side of the room, we have our slide, a whole mirror, full body mirror for the girls. And on this side, we already make ourselves at home, have safe, and I already went ahead and line out all of our stuff here. So don't mind that. On this side, no, as I said, we make ourselves at home with all our clothes. We did get an iron and also an iron board. Over onto my right, we do have the bathroom with fresh towels. As I said, some of our stuff already laid out for easy access as well. We did get some bath soaps and lotion, soap and essential, garbage bin, and we have a whole shower with cold water and warm water, and it's a slide door. It's a slide door, but I have closed down below, but you get the concept. Full body mirror, and if you know these are the one that will allow you to zoom in and out if you're doing makeup. So as I said, I already make way of putting out our stuff. They did some cleaning, so a lot of stuff kind of reshuffle, but that's okay. We got our chair here. We did get 2 complimentary water coming in, and our fridge, we did a little shopping with fruits and water and so forth. So the fridge basically came empty. If you're Jamaican, you know, we'll get with juice and stuff. No, just 2 bottles of water. It's a double bed room, which is very nice, comfortable, but the pillows though, baby, when I tell you, the bed fit comfortable and feel nice, but the pillows, they'll crick your neck. We get 2 nice picture frame here, along with a little side table. We got a Bible inside. Let me show you. We have our Bible, and because we have a baby, she's literally taking down everything and throw it aside. So disconnect the phone. We have our 2 little night lamp. This is the only downfall for this room. These are the only 2 lights that we have. Like the ceilings are literally blank, and apart from those 2 resets, like down below, we don't have no more supporting light. We have drawers. But as I said, one thing about me, I'm gonna make myself comfortable at home. So I went ahead and dispatched the clothes. For basically every one of us here, so it's comfortable. We got TV, we got a nice little night lamp. The quality is not going to be the best because, as I said, it's poor. Over here, don't mind that. Those are all the luggage and shopping bags and all the stuff. They're a little bit shuffled because they did their cleaning, which we still have decent room space. This is also the other bed. I will get 2 frames above there. We did get a little small chair to sit down and eat, and then the blinds, we go ahead to like draw it and it close out. It's really pretty in the night, and this is the view. The only downfall about these is just that the windows are extremely dirty because rain basically fall every day. So if you want that clear shot, you're just not going to get it. Over there, that building is way more hotel and casino. Is very pretty and nice. And then you have other tall buildings for the girlies who love the balcony shot view thingy. I don't think it's safe because I could literally stay from my room and literally see my neighbor, especially in the night. Wherever they move in the house, once the blinds are not drawn, I can see. Just be careful, unless you want to, you know, be bad. You want to be like a baddie. Balcony, whatever you want. No, yeah. But it's absolutely pretty in the nights. The streets are busy and bustle, and it's, for me, it's very comfortable. It's moderate, to be honest. Like, I don't think you need anything more. Double bed, your dressers, your tables, a nice little bathroom, and pretty much that's it. So I would definitely tell you to give TRYP by WYNDHAM a try if you're going for something affordable. We're basically right in the city of everything. We have restaurant, Pizza Hut, everything you could possibly think of right here. Yeah, and pretty much that's the end of the room tour. As I said, we're on the 4th floor. It's very comfortable, it's very nice. Day Moon was the person that checked us in, very sweet. We had some complication and he fixed it within like minutes, so I'm really and truly happy about it. And as I said, it's friendly, it's easy to access. It's literally right around central area, so if you don't want to go too far, everything is in like a true store view. I wouldn't add anything. Look, a lie, the only thing I would add, if I'm gonna really add it, would be like the room lights, because you know, the brighter the light, it's better in terms of like for girlies who want to do makeup and content and all those stuff. That's the only downfall. So I guess you'd have to carry supported light to give you that bright girl nice. So the daytime is pretty, the morning time is pretty. You're just not gonna have like sea view and all those stuff. We haven't gotten a chance to went upstairs by the rooftop. I don't know if anything later down I can maybe go down there to see it. And then they got AS. I'm not sure what this is. It's giving massage, I'm assuming. And then we also have access to the gym. So the same would apply with your key card. You enter. We have access to a gym. We haven't get a chance to touch the gym, but workout fee We have treadmill if you wish to use it, and then this would be the view of the whole gym. So it really motivates you if you're into the skyrise building. Oh, and also this is the view that you get with the gym, so I definitely will be motivated every morning to come here, especially in the night time, to work out. And as I said, you have a whole lot of hotel strips across or within the area, so we have treadmills and it's really cool and nice. We also have bicycle as well, so you pretty much good. So I have weights as well. But as we say, we didn't come here to gym. On vacation, we don't watch calories yet. We don't start watching it. But a quick look at OTD. Yeah. To exit. And then this will be the view. So we have a bar area if you wish. Also have seating area that you want. And then this will be our view, which is absolutely stunning. So we have wash off area and then the brew, and of course everybody creating their content little bit, because why would she be up there? Yeah, and you do get a decent size pool if you wish to go swimming. Enjoy. And then you have like seating areas, airboat, and when I tell you the views are stunning, it is. From a Jamaican girlie who don't really see these stuff, this is how it's looking. It's very breathtaking in all honesty. So hey, if you're looking for a hotel, choose TRYP by WYNDHAM for this excursion. You better live your life. We are running out of time. To be honest, and give you like a nice view. But for me, it's a good hotel. It also include breakfast as well. We did the first day, the breakfast was lovely. The second day, also breakfast was relatively good. It's not no fried dumpling and mashed potato and banana and all those stuff. It's just minimal stuff, but it still kind of fill you up, if you understand what I mean. So I hope this was helpful. You can definitely comment down below and let me know, any question that you want to ask, but I will try to give like, a little bit more of how the place set up. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Also remember to check out all the vlogs. I'll be vlogging for the entire day so that you can get a little feel of Panama. So make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't gotten a chance to, and if you're thinking about planning a trip to Panama, feel free to ask your questions and I'll try my best to answer based on the experience that we have. Bye.